As a longtime user of streaming services, I can empathize with the frustration that comes with encountering error codes and freezing apps. The table provided offers some potential solutions, but it seems like a game of trial and error until we find what works. Some users have experienced issues where the Paramount Plus streaming application unexpectedly freezes. Luckily, certain error codes offer simple solutions. Paramount Plus is a popular streaming service provided by Paramount Global, previously known as CBS Corporation. This platform draws its content from various brands such as Nickelodeon, MTV, Comedy Central, and others from the Viacom family. It also boasts extensive collection of Paramount phones. Similar to other streaming services, Paramount Plus produces original series, with shows like Mayor of Kingstown and The Stand being part of their offerings. Paramount Plus, much like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Max, Apple TV Plus, Peacock, Hulu, and Disney Plus, is a major streaming platform. What sets it apart is its distinct collection of content models, offering a more consistent variety compared to other services. It's also budget-friendly, with monthly plans starting at just $7.99, and the convenience of allowing multiple devices to stream simultaneously. However, there have been some challenges reported by users as they've encountered freezing issues with their Paramount Plus apps. There could be various factors leading to Paramount Plus freezing on viewers. Just like any other technology, Paramount Plus isn't flawless, and sometimes a simple solution such as reducing the room or temperature might do the trick. In more complex cases, a technical fix is necessary. One possible issue that may cause streaming difficulties is using a device with low power. Since high-quality 4K video requires substantial hardware capabilities, it can be challenging to stream on devices that are underpowered. Another potential problem is overheating of the device, which might cause Paramount Plus to freeze. To avoid this, users should ensure that their device's exhaust vents remain unblocked and the room isn't excessively humid. As a movie enthusiast, I've encountered situations where the streaming experience may not be as smooth due to factors like being distant from the router, which can lead to a slow internet connection. Moving closer to the router or upgrading your internet speed might solve these issues. It's also worth noting that sometimes simply restarting the Paramount Plus app can help prevent it from freezing. Lastly, if you find that Paramount Plus isn't working at all, remember that occasional downtimes are common for streaming apps. Always check online first to ensure the problem isn't originating from Paramount's end before troubleshooting further. The table you see lists unique error messages that users might encounter. While not all errors cause the app to freeze, they usually interfere with the user's smooth interaction in some way. Resolutions for these issues can be found on the Paramount Plus help page. And Paramount Plus and Paramount Global are exploring strategies to boost their profits and are contemplating a potential partnership with Skydance Media as a potential strategy. The proposed joint streaming service is projected to finalize around the first half of 2025. As for a merger, analyst Robert Fishman of Moffett-Nathanson suggests in a recent client note this could be a viable option. It seems beneficial for Paramount Plus to consider partnerships rather than venturing out independently, as we believe the high costs associated with solo business may strain their financial resources. On the back its own, we're not confident that Paramount Plus's current finances would permit continued investment in the required content to achieve global scale. This merger might result in a seamlessly unified streaming service, providing users of Paramount Plus and Skydance Media an all-in-one streamlined application experience, eliminating the need to toggle between different apps, as is currently required with Hulu and Disney Plus. Although tech deals often require time for finalization, this potential partnership could significantly benefit Paramount Plus, with increased financial resources potentially leading to swift resolution of app freezing issues.